Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
First of all, we have different tribal people staying in Talegaon. That is, people staying in Odshel, Oitian and even Nagali. What about them? Has he thought about them? There are a lot of schemes that villages get, panchayat gets. Will they get those schemes? Secondly is, why does he need a new panchayat ghar if he knows that this is going to go into CCP? Is there some hidden agenda behind this? I mean, he's taken 8 farmers' land for a new panchayat ghar and now he's putting in this. Has he lost his mind or he has a memory loss? And on top of that, he doesn't know that all the taxes of the people will increase. People are only going to face inconvenience, and I think so he should think before he speaks. If in 2002 he won election, if he thinks of merging the panchayat to the CCP, trust me, people are going to be very upset, and we are already talking about it, and we are already unhappy with the decision and the approvals that he's put forward to the CM.
ताळगावचो बीजेपी फुडारी दत्तप्रसाद म्हणटा मुख्यमंत्र्याकडेन असो प्रस्ताव पावला, मात आपल्याक लोकांकडेन बीजेपी मतदारांकडेन उलोवचें पडटलें.
सो तांचे कडेन म्हाका दिसता ह्या फुडल्या 8 ते 10 दिसांक हांवें वचपाक जाय, जे वचपाचें काम हांव अवश्य करतलो, तांचे व्ह्यूज घेतलो आनी तांकां कितें बरें दिसता की वेदर इट हॅज टू बी इन्क्लुडेड ऑर नॉट इन्क्लुडेड, हाज्यो आतां कितें पॉझिटिव्ज आसा कितें नेगेटिव्ज आसा. कांय लोक म्हणटा की स्मार्ट सिटीचो पयसो तालिगांव यूज करूंक मेळटलो. तो स्मार्ट सिटीचो पयसो जर तालिगांव यूज केलो हातूंत कितें बऱ्यो गोश्टी आमी हाडूंक शकतले हें पयलीं जाणून घेवपाक जाय. दुसरो विशय जो आसा, जर CCPन घातले जाल्यार टॅक्सीस जे आमच्या सामान्य नागरिकाक आज भरूंक जाय, म्हणजे तो हावस टॅक्स आसत किंवा कोणाचे बिझनस एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट आसा ताजे ट्रेड लायसन्स फी आसत, सायनबोर्ड टॅक्स आसत, हो कितक्याशाच पटांनी हाजेर वाड जातली. सो ही एक्सेप्ट करपाक ताळगांवकार तयार आसा काय ना हो प्रश्न म्हाका जेन्ना हांव एक्चुअली लोकां कडेन वचपाक लागतलो, जें हांवें ऑलरेडी कालच्यान कांय प्रमाणान चालू केल्लें आसा. आज आनी येणारो हो आठवडो हांव प्रत्यक्ष आमचे जे कोर मतदार आसा तांचे कडेन हांव वचपाक लागतलो.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.